I'm Reina Simpson, and this is my medical Spanish tutorial. A few phrases you would need to know is me siento frío or calor, which is I feel cold or hot. Me duele el or la, and then insert body part, which is my insert body part hurts. Abre la boca is open the mouth. Tengo dolor is I have pain. Estoy enfermo or enferma is I am sick. No me siento bien is I don't feel good. Me siento mal is I feel unwell. Me siento débil is I feel weak. And a few questions you might get asked is ¿Cuáles son tus síntomas? Which is what are your symptoms? ¿Tienes dolor? Which is do you have pain? ¿Dónde le duele? Is where does it hurt? ¿Tiene fiebre? Is do you have a fever? ¿Tiene alergias a algún medicamento? Is do you have allergies to any medications? And a few questions you may need to ask is ¿Cómo estás usted? Which is how are you? ¿Cómo te llamas? Which is what is your name? ¿Dónde está la oficina del médico? Which is where is the doctor's office? ¿Qué medicamentos necesito? Which is what medications do I need? And helpful individual words are tos, which is cough, romperse, which is to break, me caí is I fell, golpe is hit, la garganta is throat, la cabeza is head, el tobillo is ankle, el brazo is arm, la pierna is leg, el pie is foot, el or la enfermo or enferma, enfermero or enfermera is nurse, caerse is to fall, dolor is to hurt, lastimarse is to injure, la migraña is headache, saludable is healthy, and el consultorio is doctor's office.